Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pesto ravioli. First, let's prepare our fresh pasta dough. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 3 large eggs and a pinch of salt in a large bowl. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a floured surface. Knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This step is crucial for a tender ravioli. Finally, wrap the dough tightly in plastic wrap and let it rest for at least 30 minutes at room temperature. This allows the gluten to relax, making it easier to roll. Next, let's create our vibrant pesto filling. In a food processor, combine 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/4 cup of toasted pine nuts. Add 2 cloves of garlic and pulse until finely chopped. Slowly drizzle in 1/2 cup of good quality olive oil while the processor is running, until the pesto is smooth. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. This homemade pesto will elevate your ravioli to a new level of flavor. Now for the fun part, assembling the ravioli. Divide your rested dough into 4 equal pieces. Using a pasta machine or rolling pin, roll each piece into very thin sheets, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch thick. Lay 1 pasta sheet on a lightly floured surface. Place small, 1 teaspoon spoonfuls of your pesto filling about 1½ inches apart. Lightly brush water around the filling, then carefully place another pasta sheet over the top. Press firmly around each mound of filling to seal, removing any air. Cut into individual ravioli squares using a knife or a fluted pastry wheel. Finally, it's time to cook and enjoy your delicious homemade pesto ravioli. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Carefully drop the ravioli into the boiling water, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until they float to the surface and are tender. Gently remove the cooked ravioli with a slotted spoon. Toss them with a simple butter and sage sauce, or a light tomato sauce, and garnish with extra Parmesan and fresh basil. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.